Greetings everyone! In today's tutorial, we will delve into the world of web scraping, specifically extracting sales data from a popular online marketplace. Okay, now just right-click on the web page and select Inspect to open the developer tools. Navigate to the web scraper submenu. If you all haven't installed the web scraper extension yet, just go over the webscraper.io and install it. Just see like in the screen, you just click install Firefox plugin and then just add the plugin. Since I already installed it, here's what the interface look like. Okay, let's go back to the web scraper menu. Now we just need to create new sitemap and then just type what sitemap name you want it. And don't forget to copy the URL link and then click create sitemap. Now we need to add new selector. The first selector we'll create is for scrolling down the page. We just select the element that encompasses the entire web page of the marketplace. And now the parent selector is root and save selector. Next, we need to add new selector is pagination. The type is element click. And the selector, we need to select the element that represent all the product in the page. Okay, next, the click selector, we need to select the next button. Next, the click type is click more, and the click element unique is unique HTML plus text. And the parent selector, we need to select the pagination in root, then save selector. Within the pagination directory, we just need to add a product element with the element type. And the selector, we need to select the one of the whole product and click the other product. So it will be choose all the product in the page. And the parent selector is the pagination, then save selector. Finally, in the product directory, we just need to create the text element for each product attribute. It's like product name, product price, and the product sold. Once all elements are defined, we can export the sitemap as a JSON file. And also, we can utilize the selector graph to visualize the sitemap structure and the number of pages to be scraped. And now in the final step, we just need to scrape the data and start scraping and just wait. After the scraping is complete, a table containing the scraped data will be displayed, including the product names, product price, and the sales figures. And also, we can export the scraped data into the CSV file or XLSX file formats for the future analysis. That's it. Web scraping is made so easy. Stay tuned for more insightful tutorials. See you. Bye bye.